Hey, so I heard you guys got some snow, and we got some snow too. So I think we're gonna take a little tour. That's my big dog. That's my little dog. Alright, come on, little dog. Let's go outside. In the snow. Go! Okay. This is called snow. It's my backyard. It's a tree. Peter! Go in the snow! Go in the snow! Go! 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 Let's go! Like if he jumps in the snow, it's up to his back. So we got just about a foot. But yeah, it's my backyard. It's the pond that I live near. And are you trying to pee in the snow? That'd be really funny. Oh, you want to flip the ball? Flip the ball. Wow! Go! Go, go, go! Go in the snow! Go! Get in the snow! Get! Ready? Fetch! No. Go! Go! Right there! Ah! Go! Do you have snow on your nose? I think you have snow on your nose. Ready? Ready for this? Ready? What, do you love snow? Do you love snow? Do you love snow? Go, Raider, go! Go! Look, we're running! We're running! We're running! You can keep running. I don't want to keep running. Look at snow in my shoes. Ah! Sit. Down. Down. Good boy. Ready? Ready? Woo! Lots of snow. Okay.